Silver Edge Forex Training Program, an all-new roadmap for success in Forex trading. Neither T3 Live, nor its affiliates, nor any of their respected officers, personnel, representatives, agents, or independent contractors are in such capacities licensed financial advisors or registered investment advisors. This material is being provided to you for educational purposes only. No information presented constitutes a recommendation by T3 Live or its affiliates to buy, sell, or hold any security, financial product, or instrument discussed therein, or to engage in any specific investment strategy. The content neither is nor should be construed as an offer or a solicitation of an offer to buy, sell, or hold any securities. You are fully responsible for any investment decisions you make. Such decisions should be based solely on your evaluation of your financial circumstances, investment objectives, risk tolerance, and liquidity needs. All rights are reserved. No part of this course and or any accompanying materials may be reproduced, distributed, or transmitted in any form or by any means, including photocopying, recording, or other electronic or mechanical methods without the prior written permission of the publisher. For permission requests, write to the publisher addressed attention T3 Live Management at the address below. T3 Live LLC, 1 State Street, 10th floor, New York, New York, 10004. Welcome to the Silver Edge Forex Training Program. My name is Austin Silver, and I want to thank you for purchasing the course and joining our team. I really do believe that a key characteristic of a successful day trader is decisiveness. And by you purchasing this course and deciding to join our team, you've taken the first step towards more profitable, more self-sufficient, and more independent day trading. Before we get into the course, I want to clear the air on something. I'm going to talk to you like a regular person throughout this course. I'm not going to read bullet points off a screen. I'm not reading from a textbook. I'm going to talk to you like you're sitting in front of me. So what I need you to do is be respectful to me, put your cell phone down, close your email, get out of Facebook, get off Instagram, get out a pen and a piece of paper, and let's learn together. Give me your full focus throughout this course, and I promise I will return that attention with valuable knowledge in the Forex market. This video course is going to do a few key things for you to elevate your trading to another level. Number one, it's going to provide exact entry and exit parameters for the S2 pattern. I know a lot of people have a hard time understanding exactly what it takes to find the entry and then to, even sometimes more importantly, know when to exit from a trade. We are going to go over that in this video course, I promise. This course is also going to help you build a daily watch list. This watch list is crucial to profitable trading. You need to have a routine that you wake up and do every single day to build consistency that can then be analyzed and improved upon. So the watch list is the basis of that. Having a good watch list leads to having a good trading day 100% of the time. You are focused, you're not all over the place, you know what you should be watching and what's off the table. This course will also help focus your mindset and approach when looking at the market. It's a very fickle thing, guys. As you grow as a trader, you'll really start to understand that the way you look at the real world is sometimes directly a reflection of the way that you look at the market, and vice versa. You'll start to find characteristics in yourself that you are, when you're around other people, you'll start to find those characteristics in the market, in the way that you trade. So you want to focus on that. You want to be aware of that. You want to understand your mindset and approach to real life and your mindset and approach to trading. And by being aware, being self-aware, you will be able to analyze and adjust better as a trader. This video course is also going to help maximize your day-to-day consistency. I am a firm believer in everything that you do every day has to be consistent if you want to achieve success. The routine, the way you trade, the strategies you trade, the pairs you trade, the accounts that you're trading, the breakfast that you're eating, the way you wash your face, the time you wake up, all of it has to be consistent to build a routine for success. This course is also going to get you focused on increasing your win ratio. A lot of people that I've encountered over my trading career have told me that they enjoy only winning 40-50% of the trades because they're bigger winners than the other 50%. I understand that. The math makes sense. That's fine. But if I lost 50, 60, 70% of my trades, the psychological impact of that to me would kill me. So it's not for me. It's not for this course, and I don't think it's for you if you've come this far. So we're going to focus on increasing the win rate, being picky like a sniper, hitting your winners, taking your profits, and finding the next one. Find those kills. That's what we're looking for. And lastly, the course is going to build your confidence as a successful, independent day trader. That is the number one focus for me. It always has been. If I can build you into the trader that you want to be, where you see yourself either sitting on a beach or sitting on a mountain, wherever you see yourself trading and living the life that you live with your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, girlfriend, dog, cat, whatever you got, if I can help build you there by making you successful and independent, then I've done my job as an educator. So we are going to focus on that in this course. We're going to give a lot of attention to building you into a successful and independent day trader. Now, if that sounds good, turn off Facebook, turn off your email, get out the pen, get out the paper, and let's get started. So let me tell you about our strategies. This is a day trading program, not a swing trading program, meaning we will not be holding trades overnight. We look to get in, get out, and put the money back in your account. That's it. We focus on 3 time frames, the 15-minute, the 5-minute, and the 1-minute. As the course goes on, we'll start to add those time frames together, and by the end of the course, you will understand how to identify proper entries and proper exits using those 3 time frames, the 15, the 5, and the 1-minute charts. We're going to go over the specific blend of indicators that we use on our charts every day, and we're going to go over how avoiding news and only focusing on technical analysis in combination with those indicators is the most profitable way to day trade. All of the concepts that I'm going to go over with you guys are taught in plain English for instant understanding. And I hope that by the end of the course, you can feel almost like we're friends, like you know who I am and that we're hanging out. And that when you review it the second and third time as you watch through, it's almost like it's your best friend talking to you, your trading coach talking to you, walking you through the strategies that you're going to go use every single day. I strongly believe that trading is the only business that whatever you put into it as far as effort, you will get out of it an unlimited financial return. Meaning, if you work your face off forever and you continue to work hard and analyze and study, learn new strategies, experiment with new things, the whole 9 yards, if you immerse yourself in trading, your financial return is literally unlimited. Now, that works both ways. If you do not invest in it completely, if you don't fully commit yourself to this, to the process, trust the process, right? If you don't fully commit yourself to that idea, you will not get everything out of trading that you're expecting it to be. And that is not what we're here to do. So all I need you to do is get out the pen, get out the paper, turn off everything else, give this course the full attention that it deserves because you know how powerful trading can be. You know what this could do for you, your family, your future, and the rest of the people around you if you really do it well. There is no excuse to not working hard in trading. There is no excuse to not giving this your all if you're telling me that you want to be a go-getter, you want to change the situation that you're in. So enough out of me, let's get into the course.